Alright, let's have a look at the stump here. It's kind of ugly back cut on my part, but I had a big flex in the 52 inch, but here's a nice stump looking. A little bit of hole in wood, about 6 inches, 5 inches here, all the way down. Heartwood's still intact, which is rare for cedar. So let's see what we did over here on my mark. Probably missed way off. Probably was way off on the mark. But at least it didn't land on anything important. Let's see. Let's see where that blew. A little bit long, wasn't I? Oh yeah, I was online, but it's way back. Well, I better get that thing, that stick dialed in. All right. Yeah, it's about 12 feet off. But like I said, no highway, no power lines, no people, no dogs, no pot growers. No pot growers around here. Anyway, over and out for now. Thanks to Aaron and Mike, we got her down. All right, later. Woo! Hoo-ah!